So this is Lorenzo. He's a 12-year-old golden retriever. Lorenzo has a prior medical surgical history of having a right front P2 removed for digital melanoma. He is currently on melanoma vaccine, and he has this papillomatous lesion by his eye, which has repeatedly bled and causing distress to the eye. Due to the proximity to the eye, I have put a bleb of lidocaine subcutaneously, and I'm actually using the little measuring device to shield the eye. We're going to go ahead and use the D2 head and freeze the lesion for approximately 40 seconds. Making sure that we knock off any ice crystals that may form so that we get rapid freezing of the tissue. And the plastic also helps prevent freezing of the surrounding tissue. I'm going to go ahead and let that thaw and go through a single freeze thaw cycle, and we will repeat the freeze shortly. So now that the lesion has thawed, we're going to go ahead and do a repeat freeze cycle. Again, I'm using the plastic measuring device just to prevent the surrounding tissue from freezing. Knocking off any ice crystals as we go, covering the entire lesion, and freezing as quickly as possible so as to cause destruction of the cellular membrane. So, post-second freeze cycle, we typically send these dogs home without any medication whatsoever, and the lesions typically dry up and fall off within the ensuing 3 weeks. On a rare occasion, there are some residual areas that need to be refrozen, and I typically do those at no charge to the client.